and get right into it. Um, let's see, share screen, and we got something here. Let's see, there's got to be a NetBeans. There it is. All right, so you can hear me and see it, I'm hoping.
I can hear and see you.
Yep.
Sweet. All
Same.
right. So let's go ahead and start a new project. And this time, I'm going to call it just, what do I want to say? Because I've got so many of them now. Uh, hmm, we can just make it green dragon. That I can't do because I already have that. Let's make it green dragon 2. That'll work. And so we'll just come here, project, green dragon in, and this is green dragon 2.java, and date today is Cinco de Mayo, and and we can just clean this up a little bit. And let's go ahead and save this little nugget. Once we get it where I want it. So there, we save that one. All right. And I'm going to start a new file here, or a new class. And it'll be beverage. And we can copy this, come back over to here. Hop back over here. This will be beverage here. Uh, and I think that'll be good. Delete that. Down one. Okay. So I'm going to move along on this one. Uh, More because I want to make sure we get it done. So you have. There we go. So if I get too far ahead, you guys let me know, okay? So today I've got these that I created. And you'll see these are a little different than the other day. Oh, I forgot my T, or that should be a string. I should put this. And then we have all right. So that's my new list. And then I can do public coverage. And then we can do our setters and getters. Did I tell you guys, these are also called mutators and accessors. So setters can also be called mutators, depending on the book. And then getters are sometimes called accessors. So just so you know that for your future. And then we're going to go ahead and insert that code. and indent them a little more here. Not the last one because that's the, there we go. So they line up with my code above, and then just move these down and our beverage class will be done. Whoops. Da, 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 da. All right, that looks pretty good. So that should look like that, nice and clean, right? For now. All right. So now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to get another Java class. This one will be called drink. This is where it's going to get more specific. I'm going to go ahead and paste this in. And so this one will say drink. And this will be Jeez. All right, so now we're popping in here. And probably one of the most important parts we need is private double. How about the price? Oops. Right. Well, I misspelled private, that's why. There we go. And then if they don't have, if they're drinking out of the bottle or out of a can, we got none. And then how about this one? Private Boolean is happy hour. Okay. What do I got here? Oops. There we go. And we can put in a instructor. Be public, drink. And then we right click, insert code, setters and getters. Indent them. And straighten them out. And then down here, right here where it says is alcoholic, we're going to make that get. Set is alcoholic is fine. And save that. And that should be our child class.
Shouldn't we put extends beverage somewhere?
Yes, you should. I would put it right here and save that. And you need to come down here in drink and type super like that. Now they're connected to one another. Now they're connected. Sure you save that one. And we're going to travel back to the Green Dragon. So now that we're in the main here, okay. And let's go and create drink. And if it doesn't scream at us, we're pretty good. So we can do my drink one dot. And I'll just make it a screwdriver. And again, I told you don't have to do alcohol if you don't know anything about it. Come on, what's with Mike? There we go. So it'll be an H for hard liquor. That should say set drink name. There we go. And this one will be set base 1. And in a screwdriver, let's just say we're going to put, it'll be vodka. My drink 1 set base, or amount base 1. It'll be 2 ounces, 2 shots. And then my drink 1 dot set base 2 will be not applicable. There's no other alcohol in a screwdriver. And again, you don't have to put the, I'm doing them for a specific reason in that when I set up the printing, I'm going to do something later that I don't want to mess around with. And it's a tumbler. Type. Now we can do it is alcoholic. We'll make that false. It's not happy hour. Okay. No errors. Looks like it's going well. So here's our formatting here. So the name is a string. So it goes like that. And then T type be a %C /N. Type base will be a string. So it'll be /T base 1. Be a %S /N /T amount base 1 will be a %D /N /T base 2 %S /N and then /T amount base 2 %D /N. Okay, and then we got mix. Okay, so /T mix 1 %S N slash T mix 2 percent S slash N slash T glass type would be a percent C slash N. Glass type garnish will be a string slash T garnish is percent S slash N and then slash T as alcohol. That'll be percent B slash N and slash T is happy hour percent B slash N. And I'm going to change that has to an is alcoholic so it matches. There we go. So something to that effect. And then there should be a comma here. And then we can fill all these in. So this will be my drink one dot get drink name. My drink one get drink type. Then it'll be my drink one get base one. And it'll be my drink one dot get what is the base one? Amount base one. And then my drink one dot get base two. My drink one dot get amount base two. Whoops. Need a comma up there. My drink one dot, what's that comes after base two is to mix, yeah. Get mix one. My drink one get mix two. And I forgot my darn comma again. Okay, mix one, make a glass type. My drink one get glass type. My drink one dot get garnish. My drink one get is alcoholic. And my drink one dot get, I'll bet you that's, I didn't change that one. Get is happy. See, it's not doing that one. I need to go back over to drink. And we didn't change happy hour here. Set to see, it's is. So this should be a get right here. And save that. And then that over on the green dragon should now be fine. Oh, you know what we forgot? we forgot the last thing, price. What should the price of we'll say $3 for a screwdriver. And so then right down here, need to hit enter, /T, price, and it'll be a $sign, %, dot, 2F /N, like that. And then down here, comma, enter, my drink one dot get price. Save that and run it. And hopefully it won't blow up. No, we got to run it, Doug. There it goes. And there you go. That's what it should look like. That is what she should look like. How's your guys? You good? Anybody home?
Mine won't run, and I'm not sure why.
Well, I'll tell you what we can do here is I can stop sharing. Whoops. And you can start sharing.
Okay, how do I do that? Oh,
share.
share screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just ran clean code and mine ran after it didn't run it first.
Okay. Go to beverage. You got a red something going on under beverage. Let's see. Go down. Go to run up at the top in the menu. Clean and build. Okay, so your build failed. Missing return statement. Oh, you're missing a brace, it looks like. Go back. In the 40s, there it is. Let's see what's wrong.
It should be void.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that should be void. Okay.
all right, there we go. Thanks.
All right.
I'll stop sharing. If I can figure out how.
There you go. Anybody else? All right, I'm going to start sharing again. All right. So again, the scenario here is, yeah, that's nice, but two things yet. Are you really going to create this many variables? I mean, if you had 20 drinks, that would mean you'd have to do this 20 times, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. What would we do instead of creating a ton of variables? What would we do normally?
Create an array.
Yeah, create an array. So if we come down here, I'm going to go ahead and run this out, remark it out or comment it out by just clicking like that. And I'm going to drop down here about inside of my think that's in the public there. So if I tab in 1, 2, that'll be good. Okay, so we're going to do drink, square bracket, our drinks, our drink, something like that, is equal to a new drink. And let's just create 5. We aren't going to even create 5 of them, but so this will be an array of drinks. Okay. Now it's a little bit different with objects. I still haven't created it. So I'm going to say our drink 0 is a new drink like that. Okay. All right, now we're good. So now I can say our drink, but let's do this. I'm just going to come up here and I'm going to do this a step at a time. And Control C that. Come down here. Control V it in. Okay. Then I'm going to go here, go to replace. And I want to replace my drink 1 with our drink 0, like that. And I can just click replace. Okay. So that's pretty good like that, right? And then I'll highlight it and uncomment it out. And there I've created the screwdriver, but I'm not going to leave it a screwdriver. I think I'll make it a martini. And it'll have gin. And I'm going to put 3 ounces of gin. And it will have vermouth. I'm going to have, since I put integers in, I'm going to put it 1. It's really probably just a splash of vermouth. There is no mix in a martini. It goes, and I'm going to put it in a cocktail. I don't have a martini glass, so I'll just say cocktail. Its garnish will be a olives. It is alcoholic. We'll leave that, and we'll make it $4. Okay. So there's that. Okay. Our first one in our array, and we should be able to print that. Let's get this now. Come down, drop it in. And then I'm going to do this and change drink 1. What'd I do? Forget all the other stuff? I did. Hang on. We need to go back up there. I forgot all this stuff. Needed all this. Control C that. There we go. Much better, much better. An amount of that. That's good. That's good. All right. So we can take this part and just undo it. Oops. that's still good up there. Now right here, we just have to change that drink one thing again. So I'm going to go to edit, replace, and it's going to replace that to that. And that should be good there. Highlight it, undo that. All right. So now we got that. We're going to do this. We're going to take that part and replace the 0 with the word index. Okay. And that's fine that it's yelling at us, because we're going to go up here and say for int index is equal to 0. Int index is less than, in this one, what do we got? 0. 1. So I'm just going to print one time. And then we're going to change this in a minute. So that'll be that. We need to indent. Let's see here. And we'll indent this. 1, 2. And then we come down here, do that. Did I got anything? I think that's right. And there you go. Then I'm going to come back up here. Take this, Control C it, Control V it, highlight this, not the 0 in the price. And I want to replace 0 with 1. Oops. Okay, what happened there? So then edit, place 0 with 1. And that should be good there. And then we can come down here, change this to less than 2, and then run it. Oops, I didn't change anything. All right, we got to change all this stuff. Let's make a, oops, Bloody Mary. And it's gin, it'll be vodka. And we'll make that 2 ounces of vodka. Then there's not any other alcohol in there, so that's an NA. This is a 0. This is tomato juice. This one will be, oh, we can, let's make it, you can make it Tabasco, or we could make it Worcester sauce. And then glass type would be a tumbler. And it would have probably celery. And what else? You get a pickle and an olive. And it's alcoholic and it's not happy now. And we'll make it $3.50. All right, so now if I run it, I get the top one is a martini, the bottom one's a Bloody Mary. And you can see that you got two. Okay, so now you have an array of objects. So that works, but we're hard coding this stuff in, right? Well, that isn't good because the user then can't do anything except see, oh, look, there's the drinks and how to make them. It'd be fine if that's a menu, okay? In other words, something that he would print out to go from, okay? But let's run back to beverage and drop down here and let's get rid of, I'm just going to get rid of this here by doing this. Okay, I'm cutting that part out. And then I'll just say, and then I'll go up top here. And we need to import. Wait a second here. Look at that all at once. And then instantiate it. And I can come back down and right here. And we'll do this here. And then come down here. And do this. And blah, blah, blah. And we'll say char choice here. Do. And it'll be hard liquor What did I have? Brewed liquor, brewed drinks. I had sodas. And I had coffee, right? And I had tea. And I think I had water. That's good. And then I'll come down here. And it'll be choice is equal to user con dot next to upper char at 0. Then if choice is not equal to H and choice not equal to B and choice not equal to S and choice not equal to C and choice not equal to T and choice not equal to W. Oh, come on. Then and we'll drop down here. And then you can just copy this part right there. Control C, pop it in here. And that works. And then this changes right here to choice. And I'm going to indent this part right here. Okay, and that goes to there, and then we can so now when I run this, if I go back to Green Dragon right now, you'll see I got some problems, right? I need to get rid of this and this because there's no longer, it's not accepting them anymore because we have no parameter for them. So I have to do this. And I'm not going to do them all for you, but you, so now the user, when they run this, comes up and enters the name of the drink. And I think the first one was martini. Let's make it a Baggins or Bilbo-tini. And it's hard liquor. And the second one was a Bloody Mary, and we'll make it a Bloody Goblin. Oops. Oh, I hate when it does that. See, it's picking up so I need to do, okay, hard liquor. See, it only picks up the bloody part because I didn't put print line in there, but it works. Okay. So if I come in here, go back over to beverage, and then here, next line, and you'll see now, let me save that. If I run it, I can put in Bilbo Teeny here. It's an H. And the name here, what did I have? Bloody Orc, I'll make it. See, it worked fine there. And prints out Bloody Orc. Okay. So I think that's a good example to get you in the right direction. Plus the one we did on Monday. And again, my scenario for you is you don't have to do hard liquor. You can do, I don't care. In fact, I don't care if it's a drink at all, as long as you have approximately, and like, in other words, if let's say you wanted to sell hot dogs, I don't really care. As long as you have about the same amount of attributes as we're running right here. Okay. And you can name your project whatever you want, but you can sell milkshakes, you can sell smoothies. I really don't care. All right, I'm going to stop sharing and stop recording.